Hello friends, I am here with a brand new video on top 5 contact form in WordPress. My name is Wakar, and I welcome you all on my YouTube channel, Coding with Wakar. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Coding with Wakar, and hit the subscribe button and bell notification icon button. If you have a WordPress website, having a contact form is essential for connecting with your visitors, generating leads, and improving customer support. But with so many options available, which one should you choose? In today's video, we're going to explore the top 5 contact form plugins for WordPress, along with their features, advantages, and disadvantages. We'll also discuss who each plugin is best suited for, so stick around till the end. Let's dive in. First on our list is WP Forms, one of the most user-friendly contact form plugins out there. It comes with a drag-and-drop form builder, making it super easy to create forms without any coding knowledge. It also includes pre-built templates, spam protection, and payment integrations. Whether you need a basic contact form or an advanced form with conditional logic, WP Forms has you covered. Key features: drag-and-drop form, builder for easy customization, pre-built form templates for quick setup, integration with payment gateways like PayPal and Stripe, smart conditional logic to create dynamic forms, spam protection with CAPTCHA and honeypot techniques. Advantages: easy-to-use interface, ideal for beginners. Mobile responsive and fast-loading forms, works well with major email marketing services. Free and paid versions available. Disadvantages: the free version has limited features. Some advanced features require the Pro version, but it is best for beginners, small business owners, and anyone looking for a simple, intuitive contact form solution. Next up, we have Contact Form 7, one of the oldest and most downloaded contact form plugins. It's completely free and offers a simple form building experience with HTML customization. However, it requires some technical know-how for advanced customizations. If you prefer a no-frills lightweight plugin, this is a great choice. Key features: completely free and open source supports, CAPTCHA and Akismet for spam protection, works with shortcodes to embed forms anywhere, offers basic form fields and customization. Advantages: 100% free with no premium upsells, lightweight and doesn't slow down your site, can be extended with third-party add-ons. Disadvantages: no drag-and-drop builder, requires HTML knowledge for customization, lacks built-in form styling options, and it is best for developers and users comfortable with coding who need a simple, lightweight contact form solution. At number 3, we have Ninja Forms, a flexible and beginner-friendly plugin with an intuitive drag-and-drop builder. It allows you to create complex forms easily and integrates with various third-party services like Zapier, MailChimp, and CRM tools. Key features: drag-and-drop form builder with advanced customization, pre-built form templates for easy setup, conditional logic for dynamic forms, supports file uploads and multi-step forms, integrates with email marketing tools and CRMs. Advantages: user-friendly interface with a smooth experience, tons of add-ons for extended functionality, good customer support, free and paid versions available. Disadvantages: some essential features require paid extensions, can become expensive with multiple add-ons. This is best for freelancers, marketers, and growing businesses looking for a scalable contact form solution. For those looking for a powerful and professional-grade contact form solution, Gravity Forms is a top choice. It's packed with advanced features like conditional logic, file uploads, and multi-page forms, making it ideal for businesses that need more than just a basic contact form. Key features: advanced form fields, including file uploads and signatures, conditional logic to display or hide fields dynamically, multi-page forms for surveys and applications, spam protection with Google, reCAPTCHA, and Akismet, integrates with CRM tools and payment gateways. Advantages: highly customizable with advanced form fields, great for developers and business websites, supports user registration and surveys, excellent support and documentation. Disadvantages: no free version, Premium-only plugin. Might be overkill for small websites. Learning curve for beginners, and it is best for large businesses, developers, and agencies needing high-end form functionalities. Last but not least, we have Formidable Forms, a powerful form builder that goes beyond contact forms, allowing you to create complex data-driven applications. If you need advanced calculations, reports, or multi-step forms, this is a great choice. Key features: drag and drop builder with advanced form fields, conditional logic, and multi-step forms, built-in calculations. For advanced functionality, ability to create directories, quizzes, and reports. Integrates with WooCommerce for e-commerce forms. Advantages: great for advanced users and developers. Can create quizzes, directories, and surveys. Highly flexible and powerful supports, front-end data submission, and display disadvantages. Steeper learning curve. Premium plans can be expensive. It is best for advanced users, developers, and businesses needing custom applications and form-based data management. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 WordPress contact form plugins. Whether you need a simple free solution like Contact Form 7 or an advanced builder like Gravity Forms, there's an option for every website owner. Now it's your turn. Which contact form plugin do you use? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Coding with Waqar, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.